The third case is when 3 sides and 2 adjacent angles of a quadrilateral are given to us. Now, when 3 sides, let us take this example in which ABCD is the quadrilateral given, AB is 4, BC is 5, CD is 6.5 and angle B is 105 and C is 80. Now for this, first of all, let us make the rough sketch of the question. The rough sketch of the question would show us all the 3 sides and the 2 angles. Now the 3 sides, the 3 adjacent sides to each other are 4, 5 and 8.5. Now the next is making the angles. Now definitely we are going to start with taking BC. Why? Because it has both the angles given to it. Once we start with BC, the next step would be to make the angle 105 and 80 degrees. Also we know in the next step we will be getting A by making an arc of 4 centimeters on 105 and making an arc of 6.5 centimeters on the 80 degrees angle. Then we will get the A and D respective point and joining them we will get our required quadrilateral. Now let us start. We have made the line segment BC as 5 centimeters. That is the first step. Now the next step would be making the angles B and C. Now angle B has to be made, that is 105 degrees. Now that will be the same as we discussed in the previous case. We will take B as the center, draw the arcs of 60 and 120 degrees. Then we will be bisecting 60 and 120 to get 90. Once we have got 90, we will be bisecting the 90 degrees and the 120 degrees to get the angle of 105 degrees. Now as we will be easily able to make 105 degrees by making the arc same, by keeping the arc same and cutting the arc from 90 as well as from 120 degrees like this. Now the point where the both arcs are cutting each other is making my 105 degrees point. Now I have made one angle and one base. Now the next step would be to make the next vertex. We know that the next vertex A is going to lie on this angle B only. So that A is at what distance? It is at 4 centimeters from B. So we will take 4 centimeters arc, cut an arc over on the line and we get the point A. So this way we have got the 3 points of the quadrilateral. Similarly, the next step would be to construct angle C equal to 80 degrees. Now 80 degrees cannot be converted or cannot be made by the compass. So what we do is we take the help of protractor. With the protractor we have made the angle of 80 degrees. Now my next point D is going to lie on this angle of 80 degrees. Now as this is what helps in the construction, you should always make your rough sketch because that always helps you in your construction. Because I have made the rough sketch, I know that my D point is going to lie on this point which is 6.5 centimeters from C. So I have cut an arc of 6.5 centimeters getting the point D. Joining A and D will get me my required ABCD quadrilateral that I was required to make.